Hello everyone, welcome back again in Spateria channel. In this video, I will show how to free up disk space on Windows 10. Let's start. Type run in the search bar. Click it or enter. Type refetch and run. Select all and delete. Type temp and run. Click it or enter. Select all and delete. Type %temp%. Click it or enter. Select all and delete. Open Explore and Delete folder Windows Software Distribution download. Select Local Disk C and click Right. Select Properties and click Tab Tools. Click Optimize. Select Analyze and optimize all drive. Select Local Disk C and click Right. Select Properties. Click Disk Cleanup and click Clean up System Files. Waiting until the file deleted. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to learn new updated videos about tutorials for Android and laptops from Spateria channel. Thanks for watching.